Hey, fifth graders, Mrs. Shaver here, and we're going to be launching into a Nearpod lesson today, but we're going to start with a video review, just so that we can kind of refresh our brains all about what we know already about conjunctions, which we've been talking about for the last several weeks. So let's go ahead and review that. And if we look at this, we've talked about what a conjunction is. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or sentences. And our most common conjunctions that we're used to talking a lot about, maybe I can get a magic pointer. Magic pointer. Are these what we call boy fan conjunctions? But, or, yet, for, and, nor, and so. So when we use these boy fans, we create what we call compound sentences. So here's an example of a compound sentence. I have to go to school, but I don't feel well. This is a compound sentence because both of these could stand alone as a complete sentence. I have to go to school. I don't feel well. Okay, when you combine them with a conjunction, it becomes a compound sentence. And we know that in front of these types of conjunctions, when it's a compound sentence, we always need a comma. Okay? So we've also talked about complex sentences, and we talked about these conjunctions, which are technically called subordinating conjunctions. And we use these a lot in our writing. So here's some examples. After going down the stairs, I went into the cafeteria. This is a complex sentence because a complex sentence has one phrase that cannot stand on its own, it needs some help, and a phrase that can stand on its own. So it has an independent clause and a dependent clause. So after going down the stairs doesn't sound quite complete, sounds like you need something more. But if I said to you, I went into the cafeteria, that can stand on its own. So this is a complex sentence. You can also flip it around. I went into the cafeteria after going down the stairs. When you flip it around like that and the conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, you don't need a comma. Okay, and you notice again, the period kind of acts like the little helper at the end of the sentence. So that's what we've kind of learned about. And this week we added something new, correlative conjunctions. And these are conjunctions that are paired together. They're partners. I call them little besties. And they have to be used correctly together in a sentence. So we have either or, both and, whether or, neither nor. Okay, so you can see that some of these, like or, can be paired with either, or can be paired with whether. Okay, so some of them are used over again, but some have to be paired correctly. I have to pair neither with nor. I cannot pair either with nor. If I see those together, I know that they do not belong. So this is going to be important today. As you do this lesson, you need to have your notes out. You need to have your lesson 9 notes out. So please take those out right now before you start the Nearpod. All right, thanks. Bye.